Hello Kenta friends. In today's video, we will be discussing the best music player applications for Android. If you're looking for an exceptional music playback experience on your Android device, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. Pixel Music Player. Pixel Music Player is the best music player application available for Android devices. This application offers a clean and simple interface, making it easy to use. With advanced music player features, this app allows users to play music with good sound quality and supports various types of music files. Additionally, it also includes comprehensive audio customization features such as equalizer, crossfade, and other sound effects. Users can organize their music based on artists, albums, genres, and playlists. The app also comes with other features like gesture controls, sleep timer, lyrics file support, and much more. Music Player ED. Music Player ED is a popular music player application among Android users. The app has an elegant and intuitive interface, making it easy for anyone to use. With powerful music player features, users can enjoy high-quality sound and support for various types of music files. It also includes a customizable equalizer, allowing users to adjust the sound settings according to their preferences. Additionally, the app offers additional features such as song search, sleep timer, home screen widget, and lyrics file support. Nomad Music. Nomad Music is a music player application that offers a unique and enjoyable music listening experience. The app has an attractive interface that is different from other standard music player applications. With visually appealing designs, users can explore their music collection in a fresh and new way. The app also includes interesting features such as shuffle mode, repeat playback, and easy song search. Additionally, it offers extra features like sleep timer, home screen widget, and integration with popular music streaming services. That's a wrap for our review of the best music player applications for Android. We've explored the features and functionality of Pixel Music Player, Music Player ED, and Nomad Music. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more technology-related content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.